Imagine if you could wire up n8n, a couple of AI tools, and Vizard to produce engaging videos without ever touching a timeline for hours. In this demo, I am using an AI avatar to show you exactly how everything you are seeing right now was stitched together with no-code automations. The real magic happens when Vizard steps in to do the heavy lifting, automatically finding the best moments in your footage and turning them into viral-ready clips. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have a fully automated flow that creates avatar videos, pulls transcripts, generates B-roll, and cues your best content for social media. First, let's look at the roadmap, covering how we build a system from scratch using Airtable for data and n8n for our automations. We will connect to an avatar API to create talking head videos, transcribe them into SRT files, and generate AI images that become your dynamic B-roll clips. I will even show you a neat n8n trick to flip between test and production webhooks so you never accidentally trigger the wrong automation. Let's start with our Airtable base, which I have named AI Video and B-roll Magic to act as the central command for all our project data. We have two main tables here, one for your raw videos and another for segments, where every subtitle block becomes a trackable piece of content. When you check the box to generate B-roll, the automation triggers an AI image prompt, creates the image, and turns it into a short animated clip. Once the segment videos are ready, another automation overlays those clips into the original avatar video at the exact timestamps from your SRT file. The system then mixes the music, balances audio levels so the voice stays clear, and burns the captions directly into the final render. This is where Vizard comes in, scanning the full video to pick out the punchy 10 to 30-second bits and auto-scheduling them for your social channels. To build this, you need to create your Airtable base with an auto number primary key and include fields for your script, video dimensions, and processing checkboxes. I also like to create a segments table linked to the main video table, which helps keep the user interface clean when you have many projects running at once. For the avatar generation, n8n picks up the record, sends the script to the API, and uses a callback URL to receive the finished video asset automatically. For transcription, I used a lightweight open media toolkit deployed on a container, which is free to run and offers a simple endpoint for SRT generation. Once we have the SRT, we read it to create segment rows in Airtable, which allows us to trigger B-roll generation for specific parts of the video. We then use templated prompts to call Midjourney or Stable Diffusion to create the visual assets and animate them for our B-roll. This setup transforms a slow manual process into a long-term content engine that works for you in the background. If you want the exact Airtable template and the n8n workflows I used, just jump into the community links provided in the description. Are you ready to stop manually clipping every single highlight and finally start automating your entire video pipeline today?